Hi guys, good morning. So recently I've been receiving a lot of calls from my clients, mainly to discuss our editing projects, but also to talk about what to do in order to self-publish. Now, self-publishing has been in the market for a while now. In fact, with KDP and Notion Press literally breaking the market in self-publishing, a lot of people actually opted for it in the last, I guess, 3-4 years. But now they're able to see the results. The results are obviously not good because KDP is just a platform, and publishers like Notion Press have packages that a lot of authors go for but are not providing value in those packages. So now I think a lot of people are able to see through the curtains that they are trying to put on the eyes of the authors as well as the readers, I guess. I don't know. I have never been in favor of Notion Press. I'd rather go with a small press, publishing house, than go with Notion Press. And I've always been very vocal and very clear about it. The problem is they put out unedited books and books that are not proofread, that are not copy edited, and that's a huge problem. So my clients have been asking me, because now that they want to take this journey on their own, what should be done next after editing, how to go about cover designing, and then books layout, the typesetting, the printing, and then the author marketing. The biggest topic is always the author marketing. So in order to answer all the questions and in order to have some resources in place, I am thinking of posting a series about self-publishing on your own. Basically, if I'm an author, how can I self-publish a book on my own? By contacting each and everyone from the industry separately, hiring them, and individually the freelancers, and then going about the process just like a traditional publisher would. And the biggest aspect of that is going to be marketing, author marketing, book marketing, and how to actually sell your books and how to put them out there, how to have good reviewers review them, and stuff like that. So obviously it's gonna be about organic reach, but advertising is gonna be a part of it. So I'm thinking of putting out the series. So if you guys have any questions related to self-publishing, then do let me know. And let me know if you have any questions or concerns or any doubts regarding to the process of self-publishing and how to do it, what is the cost included, and basically everything related to self-publishing. And I'll be happy to answer. I'm actually thinking of starting my workshop series with a workshop on maybe author marketing or self-publishing in general, teaching authors how to self-publish, the steps involved, and how they can make it a better experience for themselves and for the readers as well, and produce beautiful and amazing books that they can be proud of. So let me know your thoughts on that as well. I hope you are having a good day. Bye.